Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to review Avalanche AVAX token. It's an unstoppable entering out and in of the top 10 cryptocurrencies. We are going to check the price action and see what we can expect there. We are going to also cover a lot of news of Avalanche project. There are a lot of news on the last 2-3 days. I will be covering everything and I will tell you what I am expecting. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's go into it. And yes guys, if you are holding Avalanche, this is the phase that you will probably have also. Because Avalanche is killing it. Let's see first the chart. And I want to say that 1 month ago I did a video about Avalanche and I did a TA that you can see here. And I was telling about the line of this support, which was the all-time high here, that we probably will going to test here, and it will be a very great entry for Avalanche. This is 1 month ago and this was at 55. And also I told that if we break this last all-time high, it will be also a good entry point. And if you check this chart, these two green circles are the points that I mentioned in that video. This part of the video of the chart is what I was mentioning here in the video. So everything play out. I didn't bought here, but I bought on this breakout. So I bought around, actually a little above here, I bought around 85, 84. So in the break of the last all-time high, I enter into AVAX with a really nice position. So I am holding it, I am not selling that. I didn't enter a long position, I bought in spot tokens. So now I am holding. So this too was the best entry for AVAX if you miss it. And the project is absolutely exploding. Why I say I am saying that this is exploding and why the best project, one of the best projects right now, is not because this chart, but it's because the chart, the Bitcoin against AVAX. This is Bitcoin against USDT. Look closely at that, because now I am changing the chart, and it's pretty similar to Bitcoin to AVAX against USDT. So if you are in AVAX, you have been outperforming Bitcoin already from July, because we already have 2 new all-time highs since May. Bitcoin only went a little bit about the last all-time high that Bitcoin did, but actually Bitcoin in relation to AVAX, it looks similar to an unstable coin in the chart. So this is amazing. You will not find many coins that are outperforming Bitcoin like this one. So if you are in Bitcoin, this was also a great entry point. Usually when you break a last all-time high with this big relevance, like this one, or this one, that are really good entry points. Of course, you will have fake outs, so you need to position your stop loss. But even if you get out on the stop loss the first time, probably the second time you will be breaking it. These are the great moments to enter into position when you break these last all-time highs. So against Bitcoin, this was the best entry point the last time here, 18th of November. You will be already a couple of percentage up. Also breaking this line of resistance and support there. But again, USDT is out of control. In the previous video, these two areas are the ones that I was calling 1 month ago. Yeah, they turned it really good. So something to look is this line. I will change the color so it's obvious, a different color here. But this line has been support from July, also from the double bottom that we held here. So until we continue holding support this, I think AVAX is in great shape. And now you have a lot of things as support, because you can see all these channels on the AVAX price. Also you have this white line, which is very, very important because coincide all the all-time highs here. Now it's acting as support after we break it. So now 86, it should be a very strong support around 83, 86 should be a strong support. And also this violet line is now acting as a strong support on this uptrend and months ago with this uptrend. So I don't know, I am not too concerned about indicators on this chart because it's doing an extremely healthy uptrend, even if it's kind of parabolic. It's respecting all the support and resistance areas after creating it. So this is a great coin to be right now. So I am happy to enter it on the last video. So that is important that you see my technical analysis video, because there it's not just my opinion. What I say in those videos is what I will be doing also after to entering into some coins. So I recommend you to check my analysis and my technical analysis videos, so you will have some clear entrance points. Before we continue with the video, remember that I am doing an amazing giveaway. I will be giving half of a Bitcoin to one winner and 5 Ethereum to 5 different winners. If you want to participate, it's super easy, just a couple of clicks. Follow the link in the description. But remember that you need to be subscribed to the channel with the bell on to be considered. But let's go into some news. First, we are at position 11, but we are already entering and in and out of the top 10. We are just almost a little more than 1 billion below Dogecoin at this moment, but this can turn again at any moment at 125. This is incredible progress for this coin. And there's a lot of news. Let's go directly to that. First, the Twitter is exploding already at near the 500,000 followers. And with great news, the Twitter of Avalanche is one of the best in order to be up to date. So first of all, there are a very big technical update on Avalanche, and this is the Apricot Phase 5, PC atomic transfers, atomic transaction batching, and C chain fee algorithm optimizations. This is too technical and I am not going into deep in this. You need to read this if you are running a node on the Avalanche network. If not, you don't need to read it. Actually, it's super technical, but actually it's a really nice progress and updates on all the technology behind the running a node and many other things. Actually, if you use MetaMask, you don't need to do anything either. So for you as a user, it's transparent, but a very good optimization is being launching very soon on Avalanche here. Also, the Moralis Avalanche Winter Hackathon is kicking off. This is for December. There are 350k in prizes. The Moralis is the company from Ivan Tech, which is a crypto YouTuber, a famous crypto YouTuber. Shout out to him. He does really good videos about crypto. They are having a hackathon to build using Avalanche and Moralis. This is December 6th. So these are good news, maybe not so important for many people, but the engagement of developers is what it will tell you that the blockchain is flowing into the ecosystem or not, because in order to have the apps and everything, you need to have developers building the apps, the DeFi applications and everything. So these are always great news when the blockchain companies are following hackathons and everything to engage developers. Another big news here is a strategy alliance between Deloitte and Ava Labs to use blockchain to improve state and local governments' recovery from natural disasters and public health emergencies. So Nucleus-based platform leverage Avalanche blockchain to improve security, speed, and accuracy of Federal Emergency Management Agency reimbursements. I will put the link in the description, but basically Deloitte already using Avalanche as one of the blockchains. Deloitte also has a partnership with VeChain and other companies, because Deloitte is one of the biggest companies in many sectors, many ecosystems. So using now Avalanche is a great backup partner. Another news regarding building in Avalanche is this one, which is an in-one-person hackathon for Avalanche builders hosted in Istanbul, Turkey. So this is more specific for gaming. So Avalanche Hacks Prize Gaming on blockchain has truly given back the power to the players. On Avalanche, there's an explosion of fun, value-driving games launching. So join to this and you can get some prizes here. But basically, this is for the use of Avalanche in gaming. Another nice news of marketing for Avalanche is that we are just 1 week until we get this beauty back on tracks, they say. This is a Formula E Season 5, and you can see here, let me zoom a little bit, you can see the logo of AVAX here on the car, so this is amazing as publicity also. And lastly, the Frost Finance launches the first native stablecoin at Avalanche. The Frost Finance is a very big company already growing a lot. It will be holding a partnership with another blockchains, but at that point it will be already integrated with Avalanche. So Frost Finance is the platform behind the next generation stablecoin and provides remunerative investment opportunities. A fully fair launch, decentralized project, its aim is to change the world of finance for good. Frost Finance is an advanced platform powering a new stablecoin called H2O on Avalanche. The project was inspired by the significant potential that Avalanche has displayed, positioning itself as one of the fastest growing blockchains. So again, great news for Avalanche. Well guys, this is all the update for Avalanche right now. Amazing explosion. Look at these levels, look at this retracement. Right now Avalanche is killing it, but you will get another opportunity to enter here. Check the support areas right now, this violet line. If we break that, we are going to go into this white line and this yellow line. These are the most important support areas right now, these three. So checking those support areas are ways that you can see if you want to enter a position or not. That will be all for the video, guys. Remember, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get the notifications. And I will see you tomorrow with another video. Bye.